Okay, this is a Harbor Breeze 52-inch Tilghman ceiling fan, and it is 52 inches. The light kit is not original, I put that on. As you can see, it's just a scroll-less light kit. It works. And yeah, I'm gonna turn it to low. This fan actually doesn't move too fast because of the puffy blades, but it does move very good air. Surprisingly good air for a Harbor Breeze fan, because Harbor Breeze makes more, usually the basic fans, but yeah, this is a pretty good fan. Anyway, here's low. Feel pretty good air movement. See? It's more of a tropical theme fan. And it is damp rated, so that means you can put it in an enclosed porch. It's pretty cool. Anyway, here's medium. Here's high. And the fan does wobble slightly, but other than that, it's a very good performance fan. And the air movement is amazing. Like I said earlier. I'll turn it back to medium. And it is reversible. Has a reverse switch. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.